Thanks, Ann. Well, the man accused of killing a 17-year-old girl in Farnhamville last year is found guilty. Nathaniel Bevers McGivney is convicted of first-degree murder. A Calhoun County judge decided his fate this afternoon. He was charged in the death of Michelle Luna Jackson.
KCCI's Bo Bowman was in that courtroom in Rockwell City today. We do want to warn you that this may be tough to watch.
The big question surrounding this trial was not whether or not Bevers McGivney did it, but whether his actions constituted a first-degree murder charge or second degree.
After considering all the evidence submitted in this case, the court is convinced the defendant is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of count one, murder in the first degree.
Jackson's family wept as they left the courthouse Wednesday. Grateful Judge Derek Johnson ruled guilty on the first-degree murder charge. That was the point of contention between the prosecution and defense throughout this trial. Bevers McGivney's defense attorneys claimed all the evidence presented showed there was no premeditation and the charge should be dropped to second-degree murder.
He doesn't change his clothing at all. He goes back out. So if you're thinking that you're going to try to avoid being caught or detected or anything, you're going back out, covered head to toe in clothing that's just matted in blood. It makes no sense.
But state prosecutors argued there was no other explanation, stating Bevers McGivney going armed to the park where he killed Jackson was all the evidence necessary for the first-degree charge to stick.
Sneak up, get the knife out, slash the throat. These are acts of somebody who has thought, even for a moment, about what he is about to do.
Prior to the verdict on Wednesday, a DNA specialist from the state crime lab testified, identifying a myriad of blood samples collected during the investigation, most of which belonged to Jackson. Bevers McGivney's blood was found on a towel in the bathroom of his apartment. And an associate state medical examiner testified to the findings in the autopsy, pointing out each of the more than 24 stab wounds found on Jackson's body. They believe the one in the back and the one across the neck both could have been fatal.
Bevers McGivney will be sentenced for his first-degree murder charge and abuse of a corpse on August 15th. In Rockwell City, Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.